Glowing Eyes Effect Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, preparing the image and the blue glowing eyes overlay that will be used in the project. You will also need internet access so Photopea can be opened without issues. Access the Photopea website through your favorite browser, which can be used on laptops, desktop computers, and smartphones. First, open your browser by double-clicking its shortcut icon. Once the browser opens, move your mouse to the search box and click it. When the cursor appears, type Photopea and press Enter to begin the search. Select 𝗟𝗃𝗘𝗗𝗗 from the top result and wait until the Photopea homepage loads. On the homepage, click the Open from Computer option. Browse to the location where the prepared image is stored, select it, and click the Open button. When the editing page appears and the image is visible, you can begin editing. Insert the prepared glowing eyes file by going to the File menu and choosing Open and Place. Browse to the folder where the file is saved and double-click it to import it into the project. Resize, rotate, and reposition the eye layer until it fits perfectly over the first eye. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer, then press Ctrl+Alt+T and move the duplicate over the second eye. Select both glowing eye overlay layers and duplicate them twice. After that, select all overlay layers, right-click, and merge the selected layers into one. Convert the merged layer into a smart object. Change its blending mode to divide. Add a vector mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Select the white brush tool and carefully brush only over the eye area. Next, create a new layer for additional lighting effects. Use the dark red brush tool again. Set hardness to 0% and set flow between 25 and 5%. Brush around the eye area, making the strokes thinner as they move farther from the eyes. Finally, lower the layer opacity to 40% and change the blending mode to color. The Photopea Glowing Eyes effect is now complete and ready for use.